Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix FIFA 23 connections error easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do, just click here and type control panel. Now click network and internet, then network and sharing center, and here you will find your connection. Just click on it and then click properties. Go to protocol, internet version 4, go to properties. Now just copy my settings. First select this one, use following DNS, and then copy those numbers here, and that's it. Then click OK and close it. And after that, all you have to do, just right click on FIFA 23, go to properties, and then go to compatibility and turn on those two options and click around compatibility troubleshooter, and then click try recommended, and then click test program, and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, and see you in the next video.